Sometimes the shush and the hush gets too much. When your feelings are raging, no point in then caging them in just to fit in to someone else's notion of what is outspoken. Sometimes you're broken, hiding, instead of confiding the fears holding you down, edging your reasoning just to blend in to someone else's notion of what is commotion. Share your pattern with pride. Put to the side the doubters, the frowners, the set in stone downers. Confound expectation, grow with rejection. What you will find is the call to be kind. Begin from within to sow the seed that you only need to believe in yourself to achieve. Let's meet in the mind, being one of a kind to each other, to brother, to sister, embrace each face, displace the rat race, replace with grace. Seeing beyond borders, round corners, finding horizons, beginnings, winning hearts, not tearing apart. Sometimes the time to change is now. To absolve, resolve, evolve, stronger, together as one of a kind, one who is kind.